O le oto whamene o tailo loto, o sa mo whainga. Wa sa mo le atunu o umantofu. Pe o yes mato tala pele e. Ele ave se ai o pa ia mo mata. O le aso ma le filinga. O le aso fo'i ma le matai ngā tila. O le aso ma le mea na tupu ai. Leo o tātou whailoa iai le ne yasu. A vela ia le moa i le atua. Ngā lona anga lei lo tau soifua ma smatou wola. Leo mwhai ai o tātou whailoa i lo monu. Ai leo tua nu. Ia, o le moa sang. A vea ia lo leo whatau wa. Whai mwfonga tau moli. A inga e lua. Sina mutua ia whtala. Whapea fo i tina ia seu ma whanau. Ma tau te whawheloa ia lo ia tuai. Sunga whawhengainga whalatua. Sunga li taitai, se aki haini mu whalatua. Na sunga lupa alele le kalesia mu whalatua. A i o tapa au mu tamari. No whawhale porunga. Whalatua mu taus. Wo mai masang. Sa ia o nei whanau. Le swafa man ma lo tātou aliti o Iesu Kiristo. Ma tau te whaatalo whaatuai. Ma lo soe fua. Ma lo langi e ma. Ia, te ola inga le nei taimi o lea, te loa lea wanoa. Le sunga le li taita. Mo tātou whamangalo. Ia, na whaawau ai leo tātou polkalame e peo na iai. Na wava mo lau whanau lava. Whaatai.
Pafta i lau sunga le pule tau samaanga mo le awanoa ia puno mailo wau tau whaial tātou talo e amatai tātou whamoe moe ua mai alo mātou whamoe moe sāla lafo atu i o ruma nei aso le li mātou la ngona le nganga fia e lofu soani mai au au tau nuu nisi o whamoe moenga au nei ua mātou iai nisi o whamoe moenga sa fia finga lava o le nganga lofa si o mātou uso ia kalati ai me se foi ole ainga na lua man mafutanga le nei aso mātou tatalo me ole a mātou whaia le nei aso le alie wha mole i tele so vi inga au wa lava i ante i mātou wha pa ia mea ai ole a mātou tali ono lo suafa Yesu. Amen.
Tai lau e lau sunga te ta. Ia, au lea whaasolo atu pēta tu pol kalami. Ia, kai lau o ngā whafonga e te miu sola, i o lea so nei o le talanga te o smato anko, i o tamai ta lai. Ia, o lea whaasolo atu i whaula male, ia maisi fua ngai mea lofa o saunia e lea inga nei. Ia wa fo i le tō whaatasi mai, tātou te whai nea whaatasi, i le wawa malo whalo lava. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, walk, walk, walk. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, walk, walk. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, walk, walk. Let's go. Let's go.
to you. Enough. Wanna see you breaking out for me. Yes, we in this private party, girl. I like your body. Can you tick, 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 vibe like and drop it? 'Cause I'm enough. Wanna see you breaking out.
Every day na party, every day na jolly, oh. Oh, yeah, move your body. No time for story, oh. Hey, my woman, we supposed to the party, oh. No time to check time. Everybody shake it, shake it. Oh, yeah, mama, oh, yeah, sister, oh, my baby, time to party, oh. Oh, yeah, mama, oh, yeah, sister, oh, my baby, oh.
Testing. Okay, just give a few seconds to board the cellar and then we'll start. Greetings. Hello, welcome. Thank you, Jay. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Malia Lewanai. And I am Rex's niece. Today I've been given the privilege and the honor to partake in Rex's special day. It's not your usual Remembrance Day or Memorial Day. However, if you know our uncle, you know how extra he was. Always the entertainer and the one to steal the spotlight from any event. Unfortunately, not one of us comes close to him. So the spotlight is still on you, Uncle Rex. Grief doesn't get lighter. We just get used to carrying the load. Today we laugh, we joke, we cry, as we remember a loving, loyal, and one of a kind, our beloved, the one and only Uncle Rex. What better way to honour his memory by doing a few favourite things that he loved to do? Dance battle. Sing because he thought he had a killer voice. And games for the kids, because he loved his kids. Today, we encourage all, young, middle-aged, old, to participate and join in the fun. Please feel free to walk around, mingle, have a chat, and have a drink. This is no formal event. Now relax, kick back, and enjoy. Before we start, I just want to make a few announcements. The bar is now open for beer and wine. Raffle tickets have been handed out, so you get a lucky prize at the end of the night. And there's also a trivia on your table, in the middle of your table with pencils. Please fill that out throughout the night, and then we'll mark it at the end of the night. So I'd like to call upon, entrees is also served, so please enjoy. And I'd like to call upon Phil to start our activity.
God is good. All the time. Hey everyone, my name is Muti Atai Fusame. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm one of Lucky's nephews, one of the pretty ones. Sorry. Me and Salah have been chosen to do this segment of the program. You guys seen how Lucky sang, so this part is the karaoke part. Finish the lyrics. So we're just gonna play a snippet of the song, and then if you're chosen, you've gotta sing the next line or two or three. Because Lucky was in the tenor, so we want that Eno tonight. We'll start off with the kids because Lucky love kids, so I just want to call upon Celia. Oh, yeah, sorry. Do you want to sing by yourself or? Any volunteers? Anyone want to come up? Here we go. Hey. Give a big clap for everyone. Hey. So we're just gonna play the song. This one's Frozen. And then just sing the next line. So once the song stops, then it's your time to shine. You ready?
I take every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be.
Go!
See the line of the sky to see it calls me.
Yep. Yay! Thank you, girls. You sit down and nice doing at the end. And in the next part, we're gonna have an adult. And Rex was a big Celine Dion fan. So, we have any Celine Dion fans in the house? We have any volunteers for Celine Dion? I think we're gonna call upon the Uso that came from Canberra today. His name is Kolangi. This is how he's gonna bring the Eno. This is the Eno that we want. Oh. When you're ready, Salah. Lungy, sorry bro, come back. This is your fuel card to go back to Canberra. $30 Shell. Thank you also. Oh, one. Alright guys, that's me done for today. I'm sorry, apologies for the little, my name is Mutiatai again, and that's Tausala. If you see us around, don't be afraid to come say hello and have a boogie, have a drink. To the bottom, let's go. Oh, I'd like to, and now, Mauso is half Palangi, half Samoan, and half Spanish. Fali.
¿Cómo estás? Hello everyone that doesn't know me. My name's Fale. I'm obviously the white one. And I've got my two helpers, Lucky and Jake. And we're here to play some games. Now, we need some volunteers for the first game. And we need some kids. Any volunteers? 4 kids. No? Come on. The prizes. Salah? Alright, we've got 3. And who are we have?
Sinner.
Yeah. Alright, we've got our contestants. We're playing Fruit Loops. The object of the game is you got to use a straw and you got to suck the Fruit Loop out of the cup, and the winner is the one that does it quickest or in a minute. The one that does the most. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. All right, contestants, are you ready?
Yes.
No, he doesn't look ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ah. Ready, set, go. Oh, keep going, keep going. I got 35 seconds left. Come on, you can do it. Oh, I think we got a winner here. Come on, Aaron. Alright, got 10 seconds left. Quick, come on. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, you definitely did it. Yeah, ooh, what are we saying, boys? What are we saying? Saying this one? Who was that one? Yeah, we got a winner! Congrats! Here you go. Oh. Now we've got one more game. This one's for the adults. How many? We need 2 contestants, 2 volunteers for the adults. Anyone? Yo, there we go. One more. No one? No one wants to win? It's easy. Easy prizes. Who we got here? Who we got here?
Alapati.
Yep. You ready to win?
Always.
Oh, you don't have the game though.
There's no contestant.
Yeah, might as well, hey. One more. Anyone want to challenge you? Ray. What, Ray? Oh, no. Oh, you got a challenger. It's not going to be easy as you thought.
I saw the cup, I thought it was a drinking game.
Who have we got here?
Mate.
You ready to win?
Very much.
Oh, she sounds confident. Alright. To explain the game is Rex. Alright, the object of the game. So you get a minute. A minute to build your tower. And with the balloon, one person, one balloon. And the goal is to blow the balloon and knock the tower over. After you build it. Whoever knocks over the most cups wins. You have to build the tower first. Great explanation. Alright, you gotta build the tower, blow the balloon, and use the air to knock the balloon, and that's the winner. Quickest one to do it.
No cheating. Come on. There's a competition. I'm competitive.
Alright, contestants, are you ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Keep going, keep going! Oh, it looks like he's out of breath. Oh, 2 more over here. One more. Oh, we got a winner. Oh, there's no prize for this. Here you go, congratulations.
So just give them some time to clean up. Please enjoy the music.
Check. 1, 2. Sorry. Alright, tell off everyone, how's everyone's evening going tonight? Can I get a, oh yeah! Very good, alright, because the energy's a bit low, I want everyone to put your hands together like this. Like this, please. Everyone? Okay. So can we all mili. Yeah, Patya! Lua Pati! Hey! Tangi male taika! Tangi male buffalo! Tolu mai! Thank you. Alright, I just want to welcome everyone evening. We're going to have a little activity. Before it starts, I want to introduce myself. My name's Patrick. This is my lovely assistant. Her name's Irene. It just happens to be that we're married as well, so I put that out there to be safe tonight. Our game tonight is called Musical Hoops. Can you all say Musical Hoops? Very good. So we're going to have 2 rounds. But this game's very easy, very simple. Okay, so we're just going to have a little demonstration. So let me just bring one hoop. Can I get just a few volunteers from the back there? Just 4 will do, please. Yeah, any 4. Thank you. One more volunteer. Okay, so how this game goes, alright? So we're going to play the music, and then Lingy's going to pause the music, and then I'm going to call a number. When I call a number, that's how many people have to go inside the hoop. Okay? If you don't have a hoop, or if you're too slow, I'm sorry, nice try. Okay? So I want to get Lingy to play the music, but you have to dance. Alright, you have to dance. Ready? You have to dance. So dance around. Yeah. Away from the hoop, please. Away. Move away. Spread out. Two. Okay, so we will get in this situation. Obviously, my also here is out. Nice try, sorry. And the rest of you, yeah. It's out. He's, you need 2 people. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, yeah, sorry. Nice try. I say nice try. Alright, so that's how the game works. Okay, we're going to have 2 rounds. We're going to have the kids first. Okay, so the kids first. So kids meaning 18 and under, please. Alright, make sure you bring your birth certificate. And then after the kids, we have the adults. Okay, so I asked all the kids, if you want to win a prize, it's a cool prize if you win. Okay, so all the kids over here, come and join in. If you want to win a prize, you'll come and play, okay? Everyone, give a clap for the kids, please. Yeah, come up. Bring your hoops. There we go. Keep coming. Hey, all of you come on the dance floor. Let's put all the hoops up. Okay, kids, so when the music goes loud, I want you to dance. Okay? Dance your best dance move. And then when I call out a number, that's how many people go in the hoop, okay? Thumbs up? Very good. Alright, DJ. Lingy, can you hit the track, please? Right. Okay, good. Move around, dance around. Please, adults, give them a big round of applause. Woo! Let's go. Hey, move away from the hoop. Please. Not too close. Hey. 3. Look for the other hoop here. Oh, very good. Fetza, say nice try. Okay, so now I'm going to take some hoops away. Alright, going to make it a little bit hard, okay? So DJ, please play the song again. Alright, everyone clapping. 2. Oh, we'll try again, one more. Let's get it. And 3. Oh, nice try. Oh, again. Okay. All right, DJ, please play the music again. And keep dancing. Everyone clapping. Just so. One more time. Just so. 2. Oh, everyone say nice try. Oh, Maria, nice try. All right, very good. We play this music again. Everyone clapping. Yes, you gotta dance around, not just cheating. Move away from the hoop, move away. 2. Oh, this is a tough one. Okay. You two girls, I'm gonna say, everyone say, nice try. Okay, nice try, you two. All right, we got 2 more, so we need 1 winner, okay? So everyone, please, some big more claps. 2 more claps against the last one for these 2. Last one, girls. Follow me. You gotta dance over here. 1. Oh, well done. Can I give our winner a big round of applause? Alright, so my lovely assistant is going to give you your prize. Okay, get your prize, put it in your pocket, okay?
$10 for breakfast.
Yeah, big round of applause. Okay, this time we're moving on to the adults. Alright, so we're going to bring a few more hoops out. So I asked if we can get like around, say, 15 adults, please. 18 and over. Don't be shy, it's a very nice prize for you. Yeah, all those boys that went to Promised Land a few weeks ago, I want you up here as well. Come hide at the back over there. Come forward. I thank you boys. We need a few more volunteers. What's the prize? Few more volunteers, anyone? It's a nice prize, The prize up. We need a few more people. You get something from that table over there. Anyone? I see you, Finn. I see you there. I see everybody. Oh, we need someone from this table. Anyone from this table? Anybody? Lingy, can you bring those little hoops out? Okay, just a little disclaimer. As you can see, our hoops are not very big. Okay, just be a little bit careful. Okay, we don't want you to take the next 3 weeks off. All right, so we're gonna have a little practice round first. All right, so I'm gonna play the music, and then you guys have to dance around. Please don't dance like this next to the hoop. All right, you have to dance around so everyone can see your dance moves. All right, DJ, please play the music. Yep. Yep. 4. Look for the hoop. It's all right. Yeah. Okay, it's nice. Yeah. This is what happens when they go to school and didn't do the calculations properly. Okay, it might take a few more hits away. All right, but that's how we play. Okay, so now can everyone say realsies? Okay, we're gonna play for real now. Okay, so let's go, DJ. Unlucky. Everyone say nice try. Oh, no, you're okay. It's okay. You're right. It's okay, DJ. keep dancing, please. Voila, yeah, they called out the number and you go even. DJ, play again, please. A nice try. What a sad boys. All right, DJ. Three. Oh, what a nice try. Okay. DJ. 4. Okay, nice try, guys. I'm so sorry. Hey, if these guys had a plan. Keep dancing. Hey, put up the hoop, please. Please keep the hoop alive. Hey, come on, man. Oh, I like that. Again, DJ, please play again. 3. Oh no! It was a nice try. Bonus points. All right, we got the last 3. Okay. Here. Alright, these guys are dancing. Spread out. Have it down. 2. Too close. That's around, boys. Keep going. Aaron, if you get a big round of applause for these last 3. Move away from the hoop, please. Move away from the hoop. 2. I'm so sorry. I say nice try. I say nice try. All right, so we got our 2 finalists. Okay. All right, this will be what you have to dance far away, please. Everyone clapping. 1. Nice try. Also, they're now winner. All right, this is my friend Nicolas. Any words you want to say?
We're very happy that we're here today because Rex would be happy to see you all here today. And Rex he was a great guy. And when I first came, because I just arrived in Australia. So when I first came and met him, I never got his name. Kalaki for me was very difficult to restrain it, but everyone was calling him uncle. So he's my uncle. Yeah. And he was from the first people that they just hugged their hands around me, along with my family, of course. And for those who don't know, my daughter was born at the day that he left us. Yeah. And he's going to be always with us, because she's always with us. And yeah, he's a very important person to us. So God bless you all. May his soul rest in peace. And he's always here with us. Thank you.
I want to thank Vlad for his really nice words, okay? But here's your prize. Okay, don't spend it too much. Spend it, you know, because things expensive. Right, but well done. One more big round of applause, please. All right, because I know we got extra time. All right, and I felt sorry for the kids. They looked a bit shy, but the adults, you know, thank you to the adults. They stepped up and joined in. So we're gonna have one more game for the little kids, for the 18 and under. So if you didn't play the last game and you want to play again, or if you won the last one and you want to win again, all right, jump up on stage, jump up here, and then we're gonna have another round. Okay, so all the kids, make your way up. Yeah, don't be shy, don't be shy. So we're gonna play again? All right, we'll give our kids a big round of applause. Thank you. Yeah, keep coming. Yeah. See, 3 of you come. We're gonna wait for you guys. You guys want? All right, I'm gonna get my lovely assistant to bring some more hoops out onto the floor, please. Let's make sure I get 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so can everyone say realsies? Oh, one more time, realsies. Okay, Ling, can you please play some music? All right, everyone clapping. Oh, everyone say nice try. Okay, I like you girls, all right. Two. Oh, everyone say nice try. All right. I'll be honest, girls, who do you think was last? That's okay. We'll accept this one, just for this round. All right, Lingy. Two. Oh, everyone say nice try. All right, let's go. Nice try. All right, let's go. Last one. Move around. One. Oh, I'm so sorry. Can anyone say nice try? All right, okay, this is the real last one. Come on, clap your hands. Can anyone say, nice try? All right, so we have a winner. Right, can anyone please give a big round of applause? Okay, what's your name? Harper. How old are you, Harper?
6.
No, it's not your turn. All right, so we got a little prize for you. Okay, hope you enjoy it. All right, and that's the end of our activity. Thank you everyone for being good sport. All right, so I just been told, guys, we're gonna play some music before the mains. Is that correct? All right, so I'm gonna play some music, so feel free to come up and dance if you feel like it. All right, and just have a good time. Thank you.
follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Come on now, jump for the left, jump for the right, jump for the left, jump for the right. Everybody, jump for the left, jump for the right, jump for the left, jump for the right. No,
Hey, hey. Hey. God is good. And we are all right. Yeah, Carol, from where we are. Thank you everyone for having patience. Just letting you know that dinner will be served at 6. Trong phải nó có cái bị là tôi phone ra cái ba năm gì mà công sĩ phải là phòng người cái uo. Thì mình phải làm nó. Điều này mua cái gì là vậy là đây. Ya ore ki ngari ngaki. Ya usu makua le sa ku ba ai am ko 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 boy. Ya usu le ora ko ben. Ya te migi. Wa ko mo ko ai la ba fi fasinga kamla posinga fa mo posinga ko la si migi ma oi ya te migi fa mo ko pe a fa isa si ale ya. Ken le sa pa lai fi fa ya ku ai. Aku sufia o isque não vou fazer pica o é o cara vai cara quero não e o meu vai por ela vai usar e eu faz isso sim nem que me não vou volunteer to say anything or anyone but him anyone yeah I'm going to show you yourself from Molly put your hands together for all the brother big job.
Ya, bafkai lava mole the pulele. Sama my nephew for my nephews and my nieces for this program was really good. Ya, mo sifia mo kako ya wau ya o le uso lida ya. Rex, ya kede ia ile aso le malio si mako uso ya ko angi foi mako fafi. Ye piola nga o nga fa singa o kala. La mon mal mamos kang malida. Ya ole la fa bu. Ya. For the sake of those people they don't understand Samoan. Yeah, my name is Joe for short. I'm Rex twin brother. As you see, I don't know who's British, him or me. Handsome. Anyway, yeah, wala mun mau. So sorry. Ele kike kiao. Ako ko kike ra ko me, ya wan. Ole langa lasi malanga ko ma in Brisbane. Wa ko ma Brisbane. Ya. Ka fa le lo fari. Ya, pengo si la fia. Ole uso le fia resiva. Mar pese. Nang kong alo fale, ka kala mar karaoke, pese lo mara usa. Ka pe ma kumuri, ai fai mo di me mo fa fa ya le o ia. Ya, ole tanga nga ma le uso le. Ai ole ase uso ese le lo kolofa. E fa ngan ho ka ho hui. Ole pa fora ka e mawele ko le makoko ngeki e fe ko ngeki ko mai ko ngeki me ama ko ya kan mako ya ole se fo bo ngu la ola bo mako bo le si sa fa fe mako wa ai o fa kai redi e moia bo ko ese ya que ele gosta de fazer mais mal tem a radio já tá com aquele foi aqui agora na zona de Sudeste falhar é pouco faz foi ele pouco agora mesmo ficar igual porque ngai ku dia kap yang hilang lagi kau kam falhar tu je porque era que já seu só fangau yeah to be strong because I've been there ya wa foi ya situation foi ya ai foi ficar out dia sai agora faz só ai já foi ole ai fa ka kele o sino kala pupule man o fie mon mawe na socio so man nge foi yaso ya wa kala foi ngo ga ya kai mi le party time Yeah, that's all I can say. Thank you, my family, and everyone, especially my mom. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, but what's the Barusa? Yeah, terminate Moses now. If you have anyone else that wants to say something short or got a joke or got anything or anything or if not, yeah, la boku na ko super DJ. E ka pene mi un te rai kia ia. O e ka potina. Ia fa solo no fa ko karame. Ia fa o moro ngi po mo fiaf. Moro fa loro. DJ. Ya ko fa fonga ko no monitor kasi lua marai ko yo. Are you ready? Yeah, not for fun. Yeah, go there. You know, so. Saudara kapasmai por kebanira foi o musikia ia o fare Kongo me foi motore ia le venue ia esse me polia ia pa me fa manga no fa na be a fa so pela programa esse é bom ia bora no plenty yeah, put hands together for Tilamai.
Tai malama no ia fa mano lua kuai ole pokalame fo nia so ka goe mo mofo no a sau ron me ai oro fo mo sa mo a ole me ai lava ia fa mano lua kulava le sa fa inga ale fa tua ia mai set pa ia man manua mafia wa kale ngofo le ya wa bave ale le pokalame bave le ngai joy le manga se mea ai slow ia ai man fa man no kwai onga o fa naua o fo la to time o ma ko ia le o kai me faifo ia wa amaka fo onga ngofo au fana ia le wa ko ia le amangoa ia pe ole mea na wa ka ngofo la au ka manga ku kele ile pa ia man manole kanga duenga pa manu lua kwa ile o musa mal ia mawa lava la papale mai lava ia awale sa ungi mai ole fa moya alaki wo ko ku mai ele uma le kala. Our family is not going to be the same. Never be the same. Until now. This guy here, my kalaki. Ale ise lunch. Ai me ai kameki. Fa kulaki. Fa ila lunch. Mai le ai. Ai bini bat fa ya onga. Wa intropo wa ai me ai kameki. Yo ale me ai. Le ma fa yo ngala ya kia. Sio kama. O sio kwa ngangi. Onga pele ya kia. Kalaki. Famaya alu lakapi. Kika maulua. Ele anga wanga lakapi. Afa maya kalaki. Oya oa ole wale anga ilanga lakapi. Onga okele ku uaseva moa alu lakapi. Kalaki ke alu lakapi. Monday to Saturday, Sunday church. Famaya kalaki. Ole Sunday e fai e kalonga papikoa. Au kele kalainga kalaki alu lakapi. Ia mea ngau whamai play ma wala i o ngale lakapi. Ai anga o kukua kalaki pe ni wa mili o ngea. Wa o se se o ngale le abe o laki le lakapi. Se ma hua kusa o fale whaka. He's a very naughty boy. Very naughty. O ka whanonga kaha e kama. A whai aku. Wa alu. Ile ke leo le kiko. Laki. Whai keke lau ai. Whamai ka laki. Awa ke pole. E a foi. A waki fia fia. O leo ke oki fia fia i lo ai. A pa e whai e ke whai mai o ke pa e. A leo fo la poa e whai mai o ai kele. O ka se le lei o le ambio nge kangaka. Le lei o la o longa loko. O ai se loko. E le anga langa ambio. Ai le lei longa loko. E ala o wha koe lei longa loko. Le mako a inga. O ka laki e wha ndeia. A wika po aia ika. E wha ukua kangaka. E le abea se upu. E wha ukua. O aia la ikiki, alwe whako ese, ina kangaka makua. O aia makua, wha pale pale, o le mea ngau ke bisi ai kalaki. Wa alu kangaka sa whaiba visoso angi a mākou, e whau kua. O kalaki, nas kangaka e alofa kele, loko alofa kele. Ai whamoa mua whai laki, longa nguu o whasko auka. Esa le mimika o kalaki e mo o fasko uka ma longa Samoa o ia o le Samoa e mimika ai o ska ngaka ya lofa i o nga ainga o ska ngaka ya lofa i anga friends o ska ngaka ya lofa i kamaiti ia o pauleo o kala leo ma fofau o ulo i maka ele maku ya kalaki kai mi uma ele ngalu o ha nge kama ikiki ese le pele ya mako ia e fa kai fa malu mo aku i le fa fonga anga o afoi i le fe kangisi so mako ia fa malu lu aku le ma fa yo kakali lo i maka o nge
Tuma tua. Ai mai selva malu pala olia. Ana fa umatu se tola fa Britania. For those who don't know who I am, my name is Fetuao Junior Pritchard. I'm Rex's adopted nephew. I guess it's a good time to thank the late Tolia for Tālahi, as well as the family for accepting me as one of their own. I just want to say a few words about my big brother, Kalaki. So I think everyone's already covered everything. Beautiful soul, beautiful person, very funny character. Does steal the spotlight a lot, but that was just him. There was two things that we always competed, and that's pool table and mu, so checkers. So Ken's house, he's got a garage, and that's where we would spend most of our Saturday nights, competing in pool table and in mu Samoa. So in pool table, when Kalaki would call me, I would answer my phone, I said, "My Lord Champion." And when I would call Kalaki, he would say, "My Lord Champion." I was like, "My Lord Champion." And that's our rivalry that we have in pool table. When it comes to Mu Samoa, he's the master. There's no one I've seen that can do a whasионgo and beat you when you think you're winning. And that was one of his traits that he did. We would play till early morning until Aaron would call and say, Dad, where are you? And then Kalaki would say, I have to go buy McDonald's for my kids, I'll see you next week. When we play checkers, we would play 100 games, me, Ken, and Kalaki would win like 90 games. Me and Ken would share the other 5. When me and Ken would play, then we know Kalaki would be next, we would say, yeah, because knowing Kalaki would come and just play the rest of the night. He was that good at that game. So, you know, many, many memories I have of him. And one of my favorite sayings that he has that it's always engraved in my heart is he always asks, do you need help? So he'll ask you what you're doing. What are you doing today? You say, oh, I have to go do this, that. His first reply would be, do you need a hand? And that's the sort of person he was. So again, someone that will never be forgotten. A lot of cherished memories. Sil and the kids will be here for you always and forever. So anything you need, hit up the adopted nephew. Yeah, manuia for one of. Oh, one more thing. We asked him about his strategy, how he always wins the games. And he said, he finally broke it up, and he said, so if you look on the little hint for you guys, he said the strategy was a circle. So, put circle so I can win.
Put your hands together, please, for those who are Junior Pritchard. We've got one more performance, guys will do this one performance. The dinner is getting served. Yes, finally, finally, guys. Finally. So this is Jamie Lee. This is my niece, Sam's youngest daughter. Sorry, Jamie Lee, you'd like to come and introduce yourself? Put your hands together for Jamie Lee. He's a bit nervous. A bit like a dad. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you Jamie Lee.
That David played and it pleased the Lord.
Good girl, Jamie Lee. Another round of applause, please, for Jamie Lee. Good girl. Another applause for Fatalai. Ladies and gentlemen, now that the main is getting served, hopefully in the next 10 minutes will all be served. Until then, please enjoy the main, and we'll give it over to the DJ for some nice soothing music, and please enjoy. Have a fun.
get your food, please? Everyone's good? All right, thank you. Oh, one more.
Yeah.
le sua. Ia la noa nei ke whaasolo kaka korami koe ki kia no po korami. Ka e huanga i aksi koe. Ia o whaumarela ia. Ke mingi e waka o koe i a seu. Pambole o mua ngai, whaisan kala musinga mo mau. Ia musinga nisi me extra ke maha o whai roa ia. Ai pat memo sewa mole. Ah, se sini paki menga mo sewa mole. Ia, sau da pulang akan sua ya, tiga ya.
Malo la vale un sal, male la pali fo ile le tula la fiafi. Awal mali e peri tsalingo le sua o te moi fatulo le pa i o le manu. Susua i o lau sunga le tai si aki haini male fale tua. Susu fo i lau sunga le spasipi le sele male fale tua. Ai mai se le pa i o le awala o lia i a inga na lua o wo mai o masani. Whai on tātou whātasi e mo le mau whaamue mo nei aso. O le ata o toi e le tailo loto o tau pa ia mamamali. Ona o au se tama vale vale. Nei la vale le ngangana o na avea le malapi o le nei aso. Ai whaftai le alofa o le atua o tātou wheloa ai manu ai le omala. Ma lo le soifua, ma lo le whalau manuia. Whaftai le awhiwhi o mai, matala mai o au. O mawalunga mamata ngofia ai le so. To our non-Samoan speakers, it is a great honor to extend my warm welcome to you all. Thank you for accepting our invitation in joining us to celebrate the life of my darling husband. You have taken your time away from your families to be with us today. So thank you. Rex was always a happy person, no matter what. So today is a happy day to celebrate him. There's so much to say about my husband, but I just want to say something brief about us, just us. Grief is the price we pay for love. So true. Rex once said to me, "You would never know how important someone or something is until you don't have it." Rex was a gift, a blessing from God. Even though he's been robbed from us, I will always believe that it was a blessing, that God brought us together for 12 years. And we have 2 beautiful children of our own. Rex and I, we are 2 different people. We have very different personalities, different looks. He was too handsome for me. But one thing we have in common is our true love for each other, the love we have for both our families. I miss him so much. When he passed, I thought to myself, how am I going to live without him? We were not perfect people, but we were perfect together. We did everything together as a couple and as a family. It's been a tough journey, but I thank God that I made it through this year with the support of our families. I am grateful that I have loved him and I was loved by him. And it is our love, our beautiful memories, and our kids that give me strength to keep going. E whaingata lava o na whaangalo si o tōlua. E whaingata lava o na winga. E le ngata e o na winga wa mulma wina tangata. Ai o na winga whaali i le maa ua fo i mawhitanga whaale o ngali. Ai mai se tono le maa a inga ma le maa whanau. Ai ui lea, e le ai lawa se tasi e whailoto e whina ngalo le atua. O tātou o tangata whaatuatua, Tātou te tala tonu. Wa uma na saunia e le atua le nofoanga masangofi e. Mo I tātou uma I le ola e whawabau. Ai momoli atu I whaatai tere lava I lo o tau wafifi o mai matala mai o au. Wa masangofi ai le nei wha moe moe. Whaatai fo I lo o tau wanga le lei so se tu. Wha mawhanawhananga, wha malosi au. O alofa anga momoli po mo au mali whanau. O le tamau a inga, wa ave sea mai o tawa ao ono lo tawa lofa ia kalati, ma o male whanau, ia whaamanuia le atua. Before I finish, I just want to take this time to acknowledge and thank my husband's family, to our nieces and nephews. Thank you for all that you do for your uncle. Thank you for making today a beautiful celebration. I uso tua whaafine, whatai to olua. Whaaftai mo tato maftanga, e mawhanawhana. Whaaftai lo toa lolo whaia te au male whanau. Mese o mea lelei uma o whaia o no si o tato pele. Si o mato tina matua ia tālai, ma leo uso ia fiti o lo mato no nofo wāwana latai I nei. Whaaftai tu mailo tau au. Whaaftai tu mailo tau au e tau asoa mawhatianga ai maise o leanga lelei e te fisosoani mai ai le tau singo o sia mawhanau. Whaaftai lava. Ua na o lea tua e ona manuia na te whaamanuia lo o tau wanga lelei. Nei umina was whaamatalanga ia manu te leina le nei po fo laulangi maa o tau sunga e whaafengainga ai maise o le wala aulia le nei po ma lo whanau lo la whaaftai. Le la fa ya kul si vale ala fa na fa umaia nge yaso fa tai la salama sidia.
Yeah, round of applause everyone for this performance. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, kids, all right? He's full. You want dessert? Coming short. Yeah, one, but gosh, just a round of applause. And put out shout out to you last performance today. Thank you. That was fun.
Wale
Mātango fi, ko ai ala si masama fa pe usa man ni moi man ia kaila. Ia kaila pun mai boa sa sila. Kai ko sai. Ia te bine ngai ko oi sorry. Or for some announcement, the dessert is ready. There's a table there on the left hand side behind Junior Pritchard. So please feel free to help yourself. If you can't, I will help you. I will serve you your food, your dessert, whatever you ask for. Yeah, keep it again, kids. The dessert's ready if you guys are hungry. But make a line, take a time. It's not going to run away. Now, keep it a few. Hawaii and the. Who's all the fine no idea about go. I'm not going to go. One more, yeah. Finito, no idea. Yeah, but pakai mo sa media na mana ya la ko pa na ko vai na kire na na mo faram.
Ke loa o lea ua kako kaungu mai le si ui o le kako whamoe moe. O le winga o la ukara o le si ui. Ia o le la ama vai foe. O le a Skype foi o ngā. Ke loa ua lewa mawhia kumuri na uwhai ngā ruenga. Le anga o lea foi e ei kukungi au ar sa paki kai au. Ia e mo mua o mako wasu vai maru puenga. Usai mai whamoe moe nge yasu. O lea o pa uso ko kupu kala makupara pala ya na sa moanga ko finge makua. Maranga mai sa mor ko fingo kalaki la fionga ya fo muinga. Lea sa ka ko fakasi nga kai fango maniu. E o lea foi o ko sisira mai. E o ese foi ne anu mo ngai vai kau. Wa maka mako fa se kwanga. Ai ku lea mangoi ya ro fa ngau ya. Wa o ele fia ke karaki ya mako makua fia ai al kupuranga wa foi no karaki ele sao ya mako makua po anga pepelo e sao mai ya o ki ala nga ele ya foi ya pepelo la o ke makua me nga ele nga kaure fia ke karaki e karangoa ya mako wa foi kaure sao ya pepelo ya e sao ai nga ka mai ki e fa makala e nga la kapima. Ia o ka rofo mea I si mai kai renga sau pa pea I foi ngare mangua kusa o whanpara. Ia mea ia karaki. O karaki sa ka alo le au le a Liverpool Bulls. A aira e raso nganga mga o karaki makau kia apu kalo. E lima au al karaki. O le A, B, C, D, E. E ka alo uma a karaki I au nga. Ai nga alu po ka pokongi ka manoa e anga le au. Se e alofa yo ka alo. Ai ke loe. Ngai kai di mami ngu ke la ko kala ki ko umar ka alo. Ko se e ka alo la le I. Ya, koe ni marami uke umar ka ronga ya. Ko avaku karaki kom. Ya sau ka maro ku rumah pi ko ai rumah dua mana. Ada ngale di mami uke ka ro ai. Ya ngai nyangas ka meki pangarong ka ya. Ya ngai la pura. Ya. Ole o mako ke pamaru rua. La ho se ka mo fengar hangau. Ya ole o mako kan ku. Ya ole amako maro ro. Ya cú pha phối ngồi để pha mồi pha ngáo rồi là hồi xem nhiều hội không phải ngạt pha ngáo ya mà có pha mà đủ quá yang apa dah ada kan yo le na mako mai do wa le na fa fa yak sama ko kala o fa kasinga sambo e yei upu amaka e lulu a fa kalo fa fe do an pus fai hoi kala fa fe do ao hoi nga fa ia ko he lulu li ma hoi fa ko fa fai hoi upu fa ko fa o le na mako fa ko fa le winga la kala o ke loa o le bang fi ku muria la ngole ye kus ko finga kap ka ma bo la finga luenga mo kaya le la fa ke akul ma ko pi ko la yung ka ko ku muria le ka ko ya ai ku oi pele au vai nga ye o le ai e fa mo o la ko wi ka wa nga ngai ke mi sa ka lo nga sa mo o ngi nga lo ka lo nga ka ko au nga ngai mga kuai ka ka ba ko ke mo ya ku fa kai kene siak ku sai male kai ngor ka ko sangi ngan nge yaso ma ko ke le se ruak le mo fai va lo fi ao ya sa na winga kuai oi le ku malo mu wala fanga wa le ka winga mo le finga lo le ku le la wo fa no lo mal ko an ngeas se wo malo fai o malo o fe kau le le upor ngeas o ke ya o ka fia ko fo i mangina ngonga sa fa malu mai pele au pong sa ngeai o le no po fe wa le pong sa na ai o la ka penganga Memori aku fa kai kele siati lau fa la ai au lau fa kam so ali inga le wa upu ai lo maka maringo ki nga le marnge ai masel ki nga ya se yo fa pele ele fa mak fa kulo inga se maka kala mai le ko ku ma o fa o ke manga ya ora se fa se me alo fa al ki nga ya se mal fa nga ya me se fo ya ai nga lua usai marka ko mafka ngai fiaf ya ki wa kapa fu swafa o le skude van e ya ma o faya ele ko ku mama wa sama ko fam kalam o le la ka ko pa fai ngo fie ngo fai ka ko fam mo ya ngo fa pele ya o la ka faya se me aro fa seu mal fa ngau ia mama ai ngadu ora mo mori aku lau fa so sui ya fa nga fa vai ku mak pe a vo yo nga fa yak ngo ngai fo ngo fo nga ye ro ngo fo nga ka sa mo ai ngo fo nga pure pa lang fa pele ole fakamali ile lau sunga ile di fai se au siak na o fa fai ngo fie te kus le mo vai lolo ma le mo sa ya ngawa ya ole ko fa le ya le fo fa fai ngo fie le o ku fa ke kus ya inga ia fa fai ngo fie ka ko mafka nge ya lima sela ya wa saungia foi seu man fangau ya wanga si faosu god será Ia. O lo pasese e lua afe kala. Ia. O aso va pege. E alanga le rei ka penganga fe au ngore. Audi. Langa ore fa penga ore fa kua. Ore pai ma le audi. Yo. Lana le ore maka ngo fia ore ka penganga fe au ge aso uma. Ia. Ora fa solo le. O ia, lea wa iai malau ako lea. Ia, o iai foi masiau ke ukusi. Ia wa ngā se lima se lau kāla. Ia, sile, pafkai le. Ngā luenga mai e, alea sa e. Iai foi lau, vaenga sa fai ngā kai kako. Loku ngā kai ne, whangua kang, whawhakai mo le. Ia, o ngā ua makuaku lau whaasolo, ia, mar te ukusi le lima se lau kāla. Ia, aneta, ia, whawhakai, kai hoi le. A whio mai makara mai au, o maka ngofi e wha moe moe kalaki ngei asu. Ia, o lau whaasolo, ua iei hoi manau ako. Ia wa iei foi ma lau ke ukusi. Ia, wa mai aku ngā waenga. Ia, se mau kafa. Kai le fio mai makara mai au. Wa maka ngofia ai le wha moe moe le uso ya kalaki. Ya, wa ngā se mea lofa whakau vaa leo, o whai e seu man whāngau, ia e mai se foi kāla i man gei ai. Ia, o kaua ngā o se serau kāla e. E upu ai lau sāranga o whai wisi kau kāpeng singi ngei vai kau. Ia, kona fua luka, ka whikai, o ai a puam suror kingo ia ua. Leo ako o koa foi lo maros, ia o lea lama ua e fio mai ma. Ia whawhakai, kai no wanga lelei, lau ai a kalaki ma seu man whangau. Ia, kora wha, kamboa, ia, wanga se rengi whakau waa vo ia, wa mwhai seu man whangau. Ia, e upuai lau sāranga o ka ue whesi mau ka. Kari, ia, whawhakai lea whio mai ma, ma wanunga ai wha moe moe leu so ia kalaki. Ya, langa o lele o lava mai a leo so ia ka whinga ia ora. Whawhakai, kai lea whio mai makala mai au. Ya, le i le kausi e o rungia. Ia o ngā singa mea lofa whakau waa. Le lope kau kāke o kusi menga iei kukom. Ia e. Whawhakai lea whio mai makala mai au. Sam, ia lela ua uma le si vaenga. E so uririu lau kama leo, Sam. Sam maybe he's gonna give me a truck to drive. That's why I sit there next to him and I try to, soften him up. And I give him all my, when I said try the pig, I cook myself. And I said, Sam, I always speak Kalaki with the joke. And I try to get him to give me a job. Sam, thank you for coming. It's just a small token. Just to feel up, I know you come from too far, Peru. It's a long way, yeah. Maybe, yeah, it doesn't feel up in $100, but it's just a small token to show our appreciation. Yeah, wow. Yeah, ole, afai ole uamar fuama kalar fideli. Yeah, mako ke wa kuan maru puenga ngeyasu. La ho sa ko silsila masau ko kangkangai. Kako famoi moi, ia mako ke mangaku a ole a fale le kua ro ko fingaro. La wa se ka mo faingar fangau. Ia mako fa maru wa. A fai ole a kako ka ma mai. Ia lo mai. Pa manguyanga le kua. Ia wo sunga la sunga siaki. Ia ma se foi le sunga ia wo sile. Kan ko mo fa moi moi ole ia ke lu aro fai wa fa moi moi ka ia. Ia ia alu manga le forfora. Fa nganga o dua le kua. Po fea lava le. Ko vingi o la kula ia ka ya, po fea le faka faka ulanga. Ia le anga le o le kua. Fa nganga o dua wale forfora. Ia kapa au mainga malu kako au fian ge yas. Alo fangia le kua. A faya ko foi ingo foanga a inga ia ngale do de kua pui le kua la umo la wia inga ia mo body sanga le bulo ko so fua mo wa se aso kako ka pena fa kasi kako mo sapaki ka fo ia vi inga le kua so mako kala le ali diu me fo ngai ku mo wa tinga ya se u ma fanga pe le loko se a maka ku le so nge e ko ya lunga kai ko ke lao ko ka nge seu mai le aso nga maliu e kala ki o mai le so ele I misi seu nga kai pe kim pe malulu pe afa e ku an fa le o seu nga kai wo nga fa ka ula nga wi paelo ma nga suo ku e nga kai yo seu ya o mako kalo ye ye nga le o le ku ya ki oi fanga inga pe oi mal fanga yo na ko se mea ke mga mia se sosoan amako ya da ka ke ngai ako ke pai me va kasi awa ji mga yu kamet yo sa mako kala le mako ke pai ko se mako ya le la wa ko ba au ko longo maya o le ba nga le o le ana ku fa ku ya ipu ya o ai fi ave sanga ka uma fkanga le fale awa ngai po ya le ba o mea uma ngai mo la o mea ka ko e pule ka ko awa e ba ku le ko o le ona o ria kia ide ele fa mai la ko le ave ya awa ho se fa maru skingo ngai ma ko kala le alo fa mai le kwa ya ala fa ma ka I se ma ko fa kala ngai ngai fia
ulai lava mal faitet o tu lai fo ilo wava mo no vinga ulai fo e mal gatet jo lo tangata ona tang ma fa fa ko la tu nga tu tuai ali tu se si tu ya o fa ya vai ga ina de ko fa na ma fa mo bo de e pe ta a mana tu fa ta la le no ta to no le ale fa ina le tu ala fa ya lo fa ta wa am lo de awa e fa ma fonga ta mo le mori ele sur sunga la fa ga lo fa ya le ale tu ta sa le mo la tu fa tua aita nane le pa ia ma walunga wa fiambo poto le mauta tupu mata mali ona au foi no lo le tunu se fa tu ma taus alom fanau na lo va le tunu ai mai se so se no fa ka le sia eu lava na le au lo fa ta va mo tu atu mo so tu lo to pa ia mo lo to ma mal tel tu no mai sua fo de di maga lo ise le wa e mau tino lava lo fa ta va ele folo mo mo le ina le fa lo alo le e titi pe fa ta va se u ta wi na fa lo le fa ma fo ta mo o ia la whainga ruenga male, awa lau dia, wale malo sa mo poto mato te mole atoa le whafte tele. O pa ia mo malo o sa mo whainga mo whaita. E whewhe lava lo tangata e o iai. Po te o iai, po te le o iai. E tu maulava e o le whaavau e le to e sea se iota. Ai tu maulava. Au mai le tai au le li le tatou whaafonga whalongolongo i le le nei aso e ala le pau le fonga pau o le sunga le taitai. A wār whaala e ina. Le ngata ia seu ma le no whaalo. Ia lo tupa ia maulu manu. O eo wāwhai mai le nei vai o lasu. Ia tonu fo ia le lawa mātou upu. E avato e se whaftai tele. Le nei aso mai la matanga se o mai nei vai o lasu. O mai tau ina foi i au whalolonga. O te tele lava au whalolonga le nei aso. Wa o lava le whalolano i vai ngata ai le whalolano. I le nga whatau ni mai na sa mātou. E le o ina whangalo e foi ni manuia, tulong. Au ia vai nga umo o saunia ma tāpena ina. Mai la matanga se o mai nei vai o lasu. Tasi lo tātou whamoe moewa. O nā le tua sila mai. O le tua foi e whafonga o tō whinangana. Mai ni o mātou loto. Ai mai se o se au au nanga ma se whai ngata au nanga. E tūsa ma le whamoe moe le nei asu. E o whau mai ta wina ua tari sua. Ua tama mafa mātou ai. O lau le leu mātou maa ona. O tere mānoa noa e lau tō whaloana. Ai mai se lau tō taulanga hosi so sei tū. Ua madia le mata i vai. O ria fōtaringa i whalo longo i saunoanga. Ia mai se o tēno ana o whiawhianga nei aso. Ia mai se o saunoanga. Tusa ma le aso. Whiawhia ma le aso. Tau toke oli whatasi ai. Ono ole wha oli ina o seo ma le nofu alo. Ina o talaia no tanga. Tafi atu le apo sa. Sa whao viu pēr ma whanolo wifo i ate rato. Peta. Ia leu wa te tala nani wa mai le malamalama o le ni. Wha malamalama whatasi ne tato. Wa ia tūma pēr le malamalama. A mata atu ne se eo o le whao. Au whanolo le yaso. Fiu ma pai o ai ngalua. Ia o whai atu. Ia ngawhitau le mai nge mato. Alo. Sira whonga le tua. Lo ia te ia susia ma te mau ai ngale. Tira ma whawhau. Ai sili no tō so fua whare ngā. Whātou tōmu. Whao saosa. Masa saati o tō au. Leo whanga mau ina. Walo tō se sila le tua malona whila ngāra. Ai mai se lo tō se sila lau whainga ruenga. Lona whitai tūnga i nei asu. Tūsa ma le whanga. Moi, ia. Kuna tō sa mātou tala rea. Yuli sau se tūlata apet while ni. Ia whapena i le lofo le tua. Lau atu la ba. Wai fo la whātua nei mau, nei whale o no whiwhianga. E ia le lofo le ni. Ko fo i le tua la whainga anuanga. O ea la tutu la i mena ina o tau whae mangia le aso o tai au. I hala mana lupo le ona. Mau ni nganga sto tele. So i fua mau au nei le tua. Whai anona whiangana. Ai leo tātou lo. Le opule de ava ma whāloa. E manu e tere toe o le whiafi. Maftai.
Le na au leo la lea. Ai whanga foi alo na whanga ai mangana so leo. Sila whanga maulunga mai ala sunga pia o salabou. A so salaba i teo whātupu ma teo whātumani. Leo whāliu whakoe au ai. Le tina i a tālai. Male ainga. Leo la whalawhala nātu. Leo wa iei lo whatumali i ora tulang masad. Wa iei wa ilola wei ta isi wei whai mal ta pai pai. Wa iei lo so whama lo pasese. E se furua wheta la. Leo ngā lua lo leo. Whawhonga mai alo sunga le. Luk whalele. Au sau talama i tau whātupu mai tau whatumali. Leo whāliu whakoa i au. Le tina i a tālai. Male ainga. Ia, naua iei lo pasese, e lima e tāla, whasai tele teo, whasai whaloana.
Ai naua, aia, e si ia lo mapuare i umor masarafa. Kai. Se mau kafa. Ia, momo singa le soane, ka mua whanene, nea ua pau. E le ko eo fo e se kala fiu wananga e lea mai e fiu, o sama o whainga, nea ua e whaile lea, o ngā lo sisile pa i el kala lea. Ia, ele ko o ese makokar, se mukafa fa afkai. Le kango fa lele mau fa manguyanga, ele masasalo. Fa pele, ia ole fa unga le ole, sa muanga, se mukafa. Wa nga se ringi fa kau va le, ia e fa I foi le kango fa lele nge fiaf. Ia, la ngo leo sinaya. Ia, fa afkai mo soli. Ia. Wa nga se mele fa kawela mektono awange kau sa mi ele fe au meron ferkua nga oea. Ia ora aku lo e kala. Ia fa umar kako. Ia nga ku muri ele kako ia. Ia ka kala la mer mo fanga le se kawa nga nge spululuan ke merkado nga. Kau ke maka ia I. Ia ilo wama mano fa lo alo fa ftai.
Ia whamalof talai, lauf talai no fiu. Sa longa la vale pa ia le ainga tablang, le ainga saltuala. Ngata hoi leo le, iunga le, tole foa, ia ole tauso, ia le ngata hoi leo pa ia Yasua. Nane le mutua ele, ia ante oe le, fale ana ma le falfitu. Ba lore sa no ele ne yaso ma lo vol fe talak tu sa yo fa mo ne yaso ele to tere so ma tu fa talanga eu sa no le ationga ya se monta fa mo su yo ma to tangata mo fo ile nga fa tai mal fa malo ya me se fo yo ma au ma le anga le fa ilo ele ne yaso ya te tonula yo le wa fa fola pe o yo wa to foi tu pe fau ia moli atu ile nga fa tele lava o to ma au mo to wa ngale le se manuia le au fa nga ruenga mai mato na ole tua ia tanton o fa mo le o ne yaso e ale le soi fu to tua ma soi fu ona ia le o mato va vai mato mata i lo to wa ngale le i o fa tino le ne yaso yo mato tangata o mato talo ia fa tele atu manuia ole tua tina ia talai ia fa pe fo le ia ia inga no lua ia le ngata fo leo le na ia seu male no falo moli atu le ngang fa te tele tu sa yo ne yaso tau tu mai ai lunga fa sa tala ile kama o rex ole tau sanga e tasiva iva no sa wa ne sini ia no tu lo ele ai nei fa to a se fu iva o tau sanga sa vale vale le lu se fu ole temia no sa wa le lo tu le Liverpool ole temia no vai el tangata le o kalati no toi fa solo ma fa nga mo fa tu se o tolu ia ia se mia no vai el tangata le ai te yu wa mata la no Malaysia ona na mali o na la vea I la kapi I winne le sa la vea ia te o fai mai ata sole e man tu vota to tamo kalati o tangata mua na le sa fe wa I su palu na so ata to ta so ro inesi ia fai o pa le au konga o pa le au sa mo o so I o me mana sa ma to fe wa I o fai atu sole ia ai ole umi o lo taulu ina so te sawala po tamo kalati ia ole me na o tau mate na ta ai la o vai ia ai o tital to me sa le leia ia o na a o ta fa fa I ele ka alo ase si ka me sa mo nge ngave ken ka me kia anga a wal fasko ia o le fale aki ia ma ku ka fa o nga so ia sa o fia fa ia kalati ia o le ia se tami o ne fai mo vai o watu I fa fo wa lu le uso ia o teno ia o tangata fo e lo toa I na vai time ele tau lu ia fo e sesi ia le uso nei ia o tangata fo e fai me ma fai a mato la una tala le uso nei langa le te mana tua na vai temi mato ta faunga I nei a meso o la kapia ala sisi nga fu a sa mo ai fai ia u malo ia fai solo mato we vanga ia fa fta ia le wo to mo mau ai so uso mo to ia nga ia wale tala nga te u le nei yaso ia mo le to ile nga fa fta tele lava ia inga na lua ia ele ngata fo ile tanto ma fta nga nei yaso ia oi mataliton sila le tua so fua ma so fua ona ma so fua ngalue I le mato talo ia fa manu ia tele le tua le su mai foi le su le share sunga ia whanau tō malantai male. Kare tua ia kasa lau tele o lo whiangai mo whanutanga le ka le sia. Io na whae no folio ia i o le maau male anga le le tusa i o le wha moe moe. Le ne yaso ia e tātou tūtū lai. Le a wha wina o tātou mawhtanga i le vi inga iwa. Tele le tua wa le ne wa fa i fe au manga luenga sa la fua i o au alofa le ne yasu e ala i le talanga te wa o se mori mau au wale u so nei ana fe au manga luenga mata le ni sa i wala au inai fa fi tele no mato tawa tama wana ona fua ma fa tau ni fa moe moenga a o e lava le fa tau wina le li no mato talo le ne va e ngole aso se e fa ngale le a inga na lua me se 49 ya tala pa pe foi seu ma le whanau no mātou tama, mātou talo o anga le lei ai meso le foa i le nei aso i o mātou tangata. Pa mole se ia e toi whātutuku mea ko whaanga mawina a wā lava lau whi au ma lau ngā wenga. E i teimi toi taliu le wha moe moe i alo le au ia, mātou te nei loa whatalo mātou wale ia o wā iai whaasala vei le ala, a le mātou talo, moli lo mātou soifua ma lo mātou wola le aso antai au, mātou tāpua i mavivi i ate o ina i a tele ai pēr so vi inga, wha mangalo mātou se selo mātou li i ke riso Iesu a mātou wole matatalo atu ai nei. Amini. Ia o maini wha manuia nā se lua mo le uso i a kalati. Hip hip! Hip hip! Baftai.